Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you some credit cards that you can have guaranteed approval with no deposit. And even if you have bad credit, you can also get approved for these credit cards. Now, some of these credit cards, it's going to require that you do additional steps, but I'm going to show you exactly, those credit cards you can go ahead and apply for. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Tumo credit card. So if you got bad credit and you want to make sure that you can guarantee get approval, just listen to this when it comes down to this credit card. Just make sure they're going to check your bank account. They're not going to check your credit. So make sure in your bank account, you have money coming in, you have the account open for at least 3 months, and you don't have any overdrafts. If you have overdrafts on your account, they're not going to approve you. So make sure that you have all three of those, and then you can guarantee that you're going to get approved for this credit card. Now, don't forget, it's up to the company to go ahead and approve you, but usually you're going to go ahead and get approval. Now, your limit is going to be $100 up to $10,000. So go ahead and follow those steps. And all you have to do is you can put your email address in and click apply now, and then go through the steps and get approved for this credit card. Again, they're going to check your bank account. So make sure you have everything good with your bank account. You don't have any overdrafts or anything like that, because that's going to stop your approval. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is a credit card. I see even people that get like a bankruptcy or they had a foreclosure, some bad things on their credit, really bad things. I still see them getting approved, but I want you to see if you qualify. Now, if they can pre-qualify you, then that means that they can give you a credit card. So I want you to click right here with Credit One Bank. I want you to go to their website, click right here to see if you pre-qualify. And then I want you to put your information in, and then they're going to tell you whether or not they can pre-qualify you. And if they can, they're going to give you a credit card right there on the spot. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to put in your first and last name. You're going to have to put your mailing address in, your city, state, and zip code, your email address, your phone number, your social security card, your date of birth, and then your monthly income. So if you don't know your monthly income, all you have to do is figure out how much you make per year, divide that by 12, but then they have a calculator here too if you need to use that calculator. Now, like I said too, I've seen people get this credit card right out of bankruptcy. I also see people get this credit card when their credit was really, really low. They're going to look at your Experian credit report. So make sure that your Experian credit report, it can be bad, but make sure that you start working on your credit to build up that credit score more too, so that you can get approved for a higher limit. Now, the next credit cards I want to talk to you guys about is credit card that's on something called the shopping cart trick. And I'm going to link that right here. Now, the shopping cart trick is where you can get credit cards and they're not going to check your credit at all. And they're going to give you an approval right there on the spot, to the point where you can even use that credit card right then and there if you wanted to use that credit card. Now, everybody's situation is different. Don't forget, everybody's situation is different, because sometimes you can't even get the trick to work. But as soon as you can get that trick to work, then when you go to these different websites, you should get an approval. Now, I'm going to tell you guys about 5 different ones that you can get with the shopping cart trick. But like I said, I'm going to link it for you here. Now, the first one is the Victoria's Secrets. Now, when you come to these websites, you're going to have to use that trick that I showed you. So you're going to have to opt into something called Factor Trust, and I'll show you how to opt into that at the end. But you opt into Factor Trust, they're going to give you information to Victoria's Secrets. And when you go to Victoria's Secrets website, you have to put $200 worth of items in your cart, act like you're going to check out, and then they're going to give you a pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And then you're going to complete those last steps, and then they're going to let you know exactly how much you're approved for. And then they're going to give you a temporary card so that you can use right there on the spot. Now, some people, they just need to get credit cards. They need to have credit cards added to their credit report so that they can build their credit. And this is a good way to start. So when I come to this website, when I want to get different things in terms of the shopping cart trick, and I have my clients, I just go over to Cami Sets, because don't forget, you want to have between $200 to $250 worth of items. So I go to Cami Sets, and then I find something for like $49.99. So this is good right here, $49.50. Yeah, I can use this right here, $49.50. And then I just add 4 of these into the cart. Just add it to the bag, right? and then I just click checkout. Now, remember, with this trick, it's a special way that you want to do it, so I'm going to link that additional video so that you can see all of the steps, but I kind of want to show you some of the steps now. You want to click continue to checkout, and you want to check out as a guest. You do not want to log into your Victoria's Secret account if you have one. You just want to check out as a guest. You're going to put your first and last name in. You're going to put your address, your city, state, and zip code. You're going to put your phone number and your email address in. As soon as you do that, you're going to click continue to delivery. And when you click continue to delivery, you're going to get that pop-up at that time saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And I'll make sure I have something here to show you like an example of what it will look like for that pop-up. And then after that, you have to just complete the steps saying, yes, you want to get the credit card. Because some people don't want to get the credit card. Say, yes, you want to get the credit card, and then follow the steps, and then they'll let you know how much you're pre-approved for. Now, some people, when they do the Victoria's Secrets, I see them get approved for $250, $400, $500. It just really depends. But go ahead and try to get the Victoria's Secret credit card. And this is like one of the easiest ones you can get. Another easy one that you guys can get is the Express credit card. Now, with the Express credit card, it's the same thing. You want to put $200 to $250 worth of items in your card. After you put those items in your card, then you're going to do the same thing. Put your information in, act like you're going to buy it, and then you're going to get that pop-up right before they ask for your card information saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Express credit card. Then you go ahead and accept that. But Express is different. So Express may say, hey, you're pre-approved for $25,000, $50,000, $75,000, or $100,000. If they say you're pre-approved for $50,000, just know it's a $500 credit card. And you can use that credit card right there on the spot too if you want to, or you can go to the store and use it. Remember, a lot of times people just want to get these credit cards so that they can start building their credit. That's why I usually teach about these credit cards. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is a really good one, because with this one, you guys can actually get like a Visa credit card, which is good. So one of my clients, I can help you guys too. If you guys need help trying to see if you can get the pop-up to work, I'll make sure I have that link down below. But one of my clients asked for me to help them get this credit card, and they got approved for a $3,000 Visa card. So I always tell people, hey, a Visa is where you can use it everywhere. So definitely, you guys, if you're looking at getting like a Visa, try to do the Camping World, because they will give you a Visa credit card and you'll do the same exact steps. And I have different videos on all these different cards if you want to try them. Another one, a client got approved for a $4,000 account with Overstock. It's not a Visa, but it's an account with Overstock, which is good. So it's going to report a $4,000 credit card on your credit report. But everybody, amounts will be different, but just know that people are actually getting approved for these different credit cards. So you can do that trick with Overstock also. And then last but not least, you can also do that trick with Lane Bryant. Now, don't forget I can help you try to get the trick to work. So I'll make sure I have that link down below so I can try to do the trick for you. If you have any questions for me, make sure you call or text me. And I have a team, so we'll be able to help you if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.